Your first time
You're
in
from
Bohol?
here?
Yeah,
Yeah, this is my first time.
first time. This is the camera. Okay, share your experience in Bohol.
My experience very nice.
Okay.
It's enjoying.
Enjoying.
Yeah.
Rate your experience from 1 to 10. 10 is the highest. What would it be?
9.
9.
Yeah.
Oh, almost perfect.
Yes.
Yeah. How long will you stay in Bohol?
4 days?
4 days.
Yes.
Ano yung favorite na lugar mo dito?
My favorite na lugar.
Oh, ano yun?
The shoreline.
What? The beach.
Yes.
Yeah. Sa Alona ba to?
Yeah, Alona.
Ganda dun, no?
Ganda. Marunong ka pala mag-Tagalog eh.
Ano ba alam mo?
Andy.
Andy, worth it naman yung Bohol kahit mahal.
Okay lang.
Ay, okay lang.
Enjoying,
Enjoying. Nakaka-relax, no?
Relax.
Walang traffic.
Walang traffic at the same time puro magaganda yung mga
Tanawin.
yung mga tanawin ganun.
Wow, yun lang. Thank you so much!